Hello, I wanted to show how to access some curriculum online for parents and students. So if you go to, I'm just learning how to use this thing. Let's see, mouse pointer. If you go to openupresources.org, which is right there, you click on math curriculum. Then you go to access the curriculum. Scroll down, pick your grade, and then this would be for parents, and then this is for students. Click Explore. And then now you have an entire grade level of math curriculum. So in my class, we were working on geometry for one class and probability for the other class. So it's right there. Click it. And you can see the lesson. And this goes along with their workbooks that some kids have. And I think some of it's digital. Let me see. So like, for example, if you wanted to do this activity, you could just click this and then go along with your workbook. And that's it.